hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be 10 days before my CUET exam. I am very nervous for the exam because पहले कभी एग्ज़ाम दिया नहीं है and MCQs just make me nervous in general. So ये 10 day की पूरी जर्नी होने वाली है इस vlog के अंदर and you guys will be seeing my thoughts, my preparation during this phase, and I'm so excited for this one because it's going to be a very wholesome vlog. So stay tuned with me for each day. We'll be vlogging for 10 days straight and you guys will be seeing what I do in the 10 days. So let's just begin the video without any further ado. In 3, 2, 1, there we go.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free.
Okay, so it's the next day and here is what I'm going to do for the next 5 days. First of all, today I'll be completing word power and history का थोड़ा सा revision करूँगी, psychology के 2 chapters करूँगी, थोड़े से idioms and phrases revise करने हैं, I'll do that. 7th May को I'll be doing some more grammar के topics and a little bit of psychology and history की book 1. Plus I have kept sample papers for each day. ऐसे ही मैंने बाकी पूरे days में divide किया हुआ है. 10th May को I'll be summarizing all my subjects and that is how my 5-day plan will look like. यही मेरी strategy है 5 दिन की. कुछ खास strategy नहीं है. I've just divided the number of tasks I have into sections of days and मैंने ये task के लिए हर रोज़ एक टू डू लिस्ट बनाऊंगी अलग से भी बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स इसको ब्रेक डाउन करके भी एक लिस्ट बनानी होती है. सो दैट इज़ द लिस्ट फॉर टुडे. इट्स गोइंग टू बी वर्ड पावर, थोड़ा सा रिविजन होगा हिस्ट्री बुक का, साइकोलॉजी के 2 चैप्टर्स हैं, ईडियम्स फ्रेजेस, इंग्लिश का सैम्पल पेपर, हिस्ट्री का सैम्पल पेपर, साइकोलॉजी का सैम्पल पेपर, देन पॉलिटी का सैम्पल पेपर एंड देन जी में मेरे हाल ऑलरेडी सबको मेरे चैनल पर पता है, मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो थोड़ा बहुत करती हूँ, देखती हूँ कि पास होने लायक मार्क्स आ सकते हैं नहीं, विल सी दैट. बट आज मैं 5 टॉपिक करूँगी एंड ये जीके वाले टॉपिक्स होने वाले हैं, नॉट द रीजनिंग पार्ट. सो दैट्स द एजेंडा. 12 बज चुके हैं. लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले.
Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me.
So I'm checking in after 2 days. This is the 3rd day. It's going to be the 3rd day. अभी 10 बजने वाले हैं and I've just woken up. I don't know मैं क्या कर रही हूँ अपनी preparation के साथ में. I'm feeling very lost right now because इतना productive नहीं हो पा रहा जितना मैं सोचती हूँ. And the challenge has been feeling miserably because मैं सिर्फ 50% टास्क कर पा रही जितने मैंने अपने लिए रखे हुए हैं. तो obviously it's not a very satisfactory situation. and I am in a tight spot. I don't know what to do, and I'm feeling completely lost. I don't know where this preparation is leading me. I'm not really apprehensive about what's going to happen, but I am very श्योर कि अगर मेरे ज़्यादा अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली मुझे अच्छा कॉलेज मिलना इम्पॉसिबल है. एंड आई डू वांट अ गुड कॉलेज. आई थिंक एवरीबडी वांट्स दैट, बट द थिंग इज़ आई एम पुटिंग इन द रिक्वायर्ड एफर्ट फ्रॉम माई साइड. देन व्हाट इफ़ आई डोंट गेट इट इवन स्टिल? दैट इज़ लाइक समथिंग दैट आई एम वरिड अबाउट. एंड ऐसा नहीं कि मैं पढ़नी नहीं हूँ. आई एम स्टडिंग वॉट आई एम स्टडिंग, बट इट्स जस्ट नॉट, I'm not feeling very confident about my preparation, and I'm not getting the results in my mocks. Everybody was asking me in the comments, not everybody I think, but some people have asked me in the comments that please share your mocks ke marks and how much are you getting these days. But I can't really tell because I am not feeling confident about my mocks ke marks. They're so low. I'll only tell that they are very low. I'm not scoring a lot of marks in my mocks. They are low. I won't even get into the North Campus or any DU college for that matter अगर मेरे इतने मार्क्स आते हैं तो. बट ये भी फ़िलहाल का स्टेटस है. एंड आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड. आई एम shattered. I am almost completely, I don't know what I am doing right now. This is my current position. I have to figure out what I'm doing. I have to figure out what is happening with me. But I think अभी 5-6 दिन हैं. I think हो जाएगा. I'm still hopeful, but I'm, it's like somewhere in middle. I'm between Kuwa and Khai. That is how my position right now is. But we'll see क्या होता है. अभी टाइम है, and I think I can prepare more in these 6 days. I'll get a little more clearer picture when I get to the main day, which is gonna be the red letter day. If you know, you know. That is it, I think. And आज का day start करते हैं without any hurdles, without any thought. Let's start today's day, and I'm just gonna go listen to some good music because सुबह सुबह करने से I feel very rejuvenated. ये करेंगे and उसके बाद we'll start studying. थोड़ी सी आज to do list extensive बनेगी because कल के मैंने 1-2 tasks नहीं किए हैं, तो obviously I need to add those tasks in today's to do list, and I'll make sure कि आज मैं सब complete करूँ so that कल के लिए same चीज़ ना हो. That is it. Let's start.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when it is good.
क्योंकि थर्ड डे हो गया है एंड आई हैवन बीन शोइंग यू गाइज अ लॉट ऑफ अपडेट्स बिकॉज मैं ज़्यादा काम नहीं कर रही थी, लेकिन आज मैंने थोड़ा सा कैचअप करने का ट्राई किया है अपने टास्क्स पे. आई हैव स्टडीड फॉर 3 hours 55 minutes अभी तक, एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 5 PM in the evening. एंड ये काम मैंने किया है. आई एम डूइंग chapter 2 अभी. This chapter 2 is of psychology, and I've also done chapter number 1, which is variations in psychological attributes, a pretty tough chapter. I'm doing this using NCERT. Psychology के लिए I'm only referring to NCERTs. So if you guys wanted to know, this is my primary source as of now. I don't know क्या होगा. I am so depressed, so distressed about the exam, but I've been watching these motivational videos on YouTube which are surely helping to some extent. This is what my study setup looks like, and I think I kind of love it. It's 6 PM. I'm almost done with 2 of my psychology chapters, and this is the cold coffee my sister made for me. This is so nice, and also this cup is very new, and it's pastel, so it's very aesthetic. I love it. I love the vibe. It matches the pink vibe, and by now of course you guys must have known कि मेरा favorite color pink है, and it is very evident, but nothing can stop me. कॉफ़ी गिर गई. We have a disaster. Okay. Anyways, what I was saying was I have a fetish of pink stuff, and इसलिए मेरे पास बहुत सारे pink objects मिलेंगे आप लोगों को if you see it in my vlogs and stuff like that. But at the same time, I'm open to colors because of course you can see a lot of colors on my desk, and I'll be happy to make a detailed what's on my desk video. But वो different कोई video में नहीं होगा because I don't have a lot going on my desk. I just can explain the same in a normal video.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep in this adventure.
I have talked a lot about my CUET preparation and how it is going, but something that I haven't really talked about is what I'm feeling right now. I am devastated by my marks that I'm scoring in mock exams, and I know they don't determine anything, they don't determine the final result, but they do tell you that how much in the water are you, how much in the deep level are you, and I think it's bad for me. I don't know. I have been putting a lot of effort into this exam because I know this is my first and the last chance. And I've never failed before. I have never failed an examination. So I don't really know what actually it feels like to be taking a drop year or be waiting for another year to study the same thing and pass the same exam. It might be tough for the people who are doing such things. You guys are great. You guys are so courageous, so chivalrous. It's amazing, but I am very stressed for my exam, to the level that I can't even study right now. I'm feeling so unproductive, I'm feeling so demotivated because even if I study for like hours, even if I'm studying for number of days, I'm still scoring 120 100, then what's the point of studying? And बस इतना ज़्यादा डर लग रहा है, इतना मुझे पहले कभी डर नहीं लगा. एंड पहली बार है कि मेरा कोई ऐसा बड़ा एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है. मैंने इससे पहले बहुत ही छोटे स्कूल लेवल एग्ज़ाम्स दिए हैं जिसमें इतना पता नहीं चलता है आपको अपने लेवल का, बट आई थिंक दिस फील्स वेरी रियल नाउ एंड इट्स स्ट्रेसफुल. इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल. I didn't know an exam could make me cry. Of course, I've cried before for exams, but this might be the end of the world for me because I don't know what will happen and it's very uncertain. You can't really guarantee which kind of question paper you will get. You can't guarantee what mindset you will have during the examination is conducted, and you basically don't know anything. Everything is in vague. The syllabus is given to you, but yet you are confused because the questions that you are attempting, you're not getting them right, and you aren't able to apply the concepts even when you know them. And for a matter of fact, I know that I've studied not बहुत ज़्यादा, but I've studied enough. And if I don't get returns on this thing, if I don't get the desired result, and if I don't get the desired college, that is going to be like a very big deal for me, because I personally have always dreamt of going to college because I was fed up with my school life and I wanted everything new. I want a new college life. I want to meet new people, make new friends. Basically, I just want to document this because I don't know what is going to happen in future, and I was feeling this ajeeb si cheez, and इसलिए I thought I'll record it. I am not feeling myself right now. People do say a single piece of sheet cannot decide your future, but it does. In reality, it does. It does everything. either you fail, either you pass. You'll go to a different road in both the scenarios, and that will determine your future eventually. So I don't know why people give you this false hope, and even I believed it for a second. I don't know why did I believe it, because I was always a firm believer in grades, firm believer in results, firm believer in marks and everything. But for a short period of time, I believed that it's not necessary. Of course, a single sheet of paper cannot decide what I become in my life, but it does. So अभी दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं सिचुएशन में. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लो फील हो रहा है, आप डरे हुए हो कि मुझे क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा एंड क्या होगा आगे, सो देर आर टू ऑप्शंस. ईदर आई कैन take this timeline and cry about not being able to remember this whole thing, or I can just start learning it again. I can keep working on until the last day and not lose my faith, not lose my patience in my preparation. I think I'm gonna go with second option because that sounds more rational to me. It's very, very easy to get away from something. It's very easy to escape. It's very easy to think that नहीं हो रहा, छोड़ दो. ये बहुत easy होता है बोलना, but अगर आप उस चीज़ को persistently pursue करते हो, वो ज़्यादा tough है. And I think that is more beneficial. So that is what I'm going to do for myself. I don't think अगर मैं लास्ट में अब डिच कर दूँगी सब्जेक्ट तो कुछ होने वाला है. आई रियली वांटेड टू डू दिस एंड आई विल डू दिस. आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी ऑल राइट, इट्स गोना बी ओके. फ्यूचर में जो होगा मैं देख लूँगी. विल फेस इट इवेंचुअली. बट फिलहाल के लिए आई try my best to make my future look like the one I have imagined in my dreams and fantasies.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze in the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching glances from strangers as I pass them by. In the city of dreams where stars light up the sky. Every step, every verse takes me close to the high. In the soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly. Waves crash, my wings and fly. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Underneath the blazing sun, where the sky meets the sea, I find my inspiration, where I'm truly free. With each rhyme and each beat, I paint my own story. In this endless summer where worries.
Hi guys, so it's 15th of May. I'm recording it after a lot of days. बीच में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई थी एंड द बिगेस्ट अपडेट इज़ कि एनटीए ने हमारा इंग्लिश का एग्ज़ाम पोस्टपोन कर दिया है फॉर द पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू गिव एग्ज़ाम इन दिल्ली एज देयर सेंटर. तो मेरा भी सेंटर दिल्ली में था, इसलिए मेरा एग्ज़ाम पोस्टपोन हो गया है. एंड नाउ व्हाट आर माई थाट्स अबाउट इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम हैप्पी बिकॉज मेरी प्रिपरेशन थी. आई डिड प्रिपेयर फॉर इट वेरी वेरी वेल, but I was not very confident about it, and now I have more time on my hands, so I'm more confident about it. Also पहले मुझे हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस के लिए सिर्फ 2 दिन मिल रहे थे, एंड अब ये पोस्टपोनमेंट की वजह से आई एम गेटिंग 3 days, which is again an addition. So I'm not complaining, actually on the contrary, I'm very very happy for myself and for everybody who is going to have this postponement in their exams. Secondly, board exam results came out and I got my board exam result and everything, so that is another update. Third thing, I stopped recording in between these days because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा exhausting लग रहा था. I think it was becoming repetitive and I was very very stressed. Like, I will be honest, I was very stressed and very very frustrated. So I thought I'll just be taking a break from the camera and doing my own studying. But आज मैं अपनी preparation दोबारा से एक बार kick start करने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna be studying history and political science combined today. So that is what you're going to see in today's clips, and that is what I have to say to you guys. And in addition to this, some people are complaining about how it's unfair to them, but I think नॉर्मलाइजेशन होगा ही, तो इसमें अनफेयरनेस की बात नहीं आती है. ठीक है, अगर आप लोग पहले पेपर दे रहे हो, बाकी के लोग बाद में पेपर दे रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ स्टेप्स लिए जाएंगे टू मेक दैट इक्वल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स लास्ट टाइम भी ऐसे ही हुआ था. लास्ट 2 years में भी नॉर्मलाइजेशन करके एंड कुछ स्टेप्स लेके NTNS स्कोर्स इवन कर दिए थे. दो दैट रियली अफेक्टेड द मार्क्स ऑफ पीपल हु स्कोर्ड वेरी हाई. उनके मार्क्स बहुत कम हो गए थे. बट आई थिंक अनफेयर तो नहीं करेंगे, दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर. एंड देखो यार, वैसे तो कुछ भी बोलो, NTA का जो मैनेजमेंट है दैट इज़ हॉरिबल. लाइक आई हैवंट सीन कि कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऐसे फंक्शन करती है, इतना लाइटली लेती है एक एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम को, जहाँ पे इतने सारे बच्चों का फर्स्ट ईयर इन्वॉल्व है. लाइक उन लोगों का पूरा एक साल ख़राब हो जाएगा अगर ये लोग इस तरह से करेंगे तो. एंड सबसे मेन चीज़ है, दे हैवंट इवन रिलीज्ड एडमिट कार्ड. इन लोगों का साइट बंद पड़ जाता है, कभी कभी एडमिट कार्ड नहीं आ रहे हैं इन लोगों के, कभी किसी का सेंटर नहीं पता चल रहा है. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस? एंड ऑल्सो देयर हेल्पलाइन नंबर्स ऑल्सो डोंट वर्क. आई ट्राइड येस्टरडे बिकॉज आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज एज टू what should I do and where is my center basically. So I called one of the helpline numbers, and that was, they didn't pick the call. They didn't pick the call. That is what they did. So this is very unprofessional on their part, and it is very, very unhelpful for people who are appearing for this exam. I hope this kind of improves in future, which I have zero hopes for, but still I'm just saying that out there just to put my point. And yeah, that is it. That is all I wanted to share to you guys. Now मेरे पास 3 दिन है, तो I'm gonna be studying a lot and try to complete everything in these 3 days. Pol science and history, 2 ही सब्जेक्ट है, so I think I can do it. I can manage that. I can give 1.5 days to each subject, and let's see क्या होता है एग्जाम में. I just hope I get full marks in both the subjects, which is like dreaming. It's like total daydreaming, but that's what I'm thinking of. And do let me know what you guys think about this new decision about postponement and everything. And do let me know how your English exams went. If you are from any other part of India, I would love to know. I would love to know what you guys want to say. That's it. Let's just go and start studying without any further delay. Bye.